Om Swastiastu. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Niputi Intan Bidari. You may call me Intan. And today I would like to guide your tour. We will go to 5 places. It is located at Gianyar and Bangli Regency. So there are 10 people, right, that will join our today's tour. Is everyone here? Are you ready? Alright, but before that, while waiting our minibus coming, I would like to check whether there are 10 people already here. Please let me know that you are here. Okay, I'll call your name one by one. The first one is Mr. Christian Ray. Thank you. And the last one is Mr. John Ambrose. Alright, so there are already 10 people here. Here is our minibus. Okay. Let me introduce him. He is our driver for today's tour. His name is Mr. Juna. Mr. Juna here are our guests for today. Alright, everyone. If you already got your stuff with you, you may enter the minibus, please. As you see in our schedule today, we will visit 5 places, and the first stop is Tirthampul Temple. But before that, let me know if you want to go to other places. Maybe if you want to go to mini market to get food or drink, you can tell me or Mr. Juna. Okay, no one? Alright, if you're ready, then let's go. Let's go, Mr. Juna. So there are several things that you have to know about this temple. Tirthampul Temple is located at Mandukaya. It is in Tapak Siring, Gianyar. It is not really far from here, about 30 minutes. So we can see holy pools and also showers. There are totally 33 showers that available at the temple. And I'm so sorry for the girls who are having your period. You cannot enter the main hall, but don't worry, you can see the beautiful view of the temple there. And for those who want to enter the main hall, you have to wear clothes named kamban, and also a shawl called by selendang, and we can rent it from the locals there. Don't worry. Okay, we already arrived at the Tirthampul Temple. So everyone, for those who want to enter the main hall, you may join me. And for those who don't want to or who cannot enter the main hall, you may follow Mr. Juna. He will accompany you for looking around the temple. Alright, we will meet again in this place in 1 hour. Alright, let's go. Is everyone here? Okay, now Mr. Juna, let's go to the second stop. Is everyone here wants to go to the supermarket maybe or mini market? Alright, then we will go to the next stop. It is Lakeview Restaurant, Bar and Cafe. It is located at Batur, but the view of the restaurant is very beautiful because you can see Batur and Batur Lake and mountain from the restaurant. The restaurant provides Indian, Chinese, Malaysian, and Indonesian foods. So you can choose the foods freely. We will have lunch there. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we already arrived at Lakeview Restaurant, Bar and Cafe. As you can see here, this restaurant has a very beautiful view, right? You may enjoy the Chinese, Indian, Malaysian, and Indonesian food. You can order the foods here. We will go to the next stop at 1 p.m. Yes, we have 2 hours. We will go at 1 p.m. So don't worry, you can enjoy your meal. Alright everyone, are you ready for leaving the restaurant now? Do you have anything to buy or do you want to go to the restroom? Alright, no? Do you need to go to the mini market? Alright, now you may come into the bus please. Okay, let me check. Is everyone here? Alright, there are 10 people. Good. The next stop is Penglipuran village. So the things that you need to know about this village, it is not really far from here. We will arrive within a few minutes, about 20 to 30 minutes. Penglipuran village is the one of the cleanest village in the world. This village is very quiet, very clean because there is no vehicle like motorcycle or car can enter the village. If we want to come to the village, we have to walk and park our car or our vehicle and then walk to enter the village. So there is no pollution in this village. It will be very great for you. You can look around the locals' house. It is a very traditional Balinese architecture. In 10 minutes we will arrive at Penglipuran village. So ladies and gentlemen, please prepare your stuff that you need while enjoying the village. Do you have something to ask? Alright, ladies and gentlemen, everyone's here? Okay, now we will go to the next place. We will go back to Gianyar. We will leave Bangli Regency. We will back to near to our hotel. It is Gua Gajah Temple. This temple, we will arrive at this temple about 30 until 1 hour. It depends on the traffic. So everyone, are you ready? Alright, Mr. Junal, let's go. Welcome to Gua Gajah Temple. So as you can see here, the temple is very big. You also can buy souvenirs from the seller of the local people here. There are also statues and also there are showers over there, but you cannot enter it just like in the Tirthampul temple. Alright, enjoy your time. You have 1 hour to meet me in this place. Alright everyone, now our last stop for today's tour is Satya Dharma House of Masks and Puppets. We will have dinner there. I already ordered Balinese food for you, so we will spend our night there. So let's go to the Satya Dharma House of Masks and Puppets. Alright everyone, welcome to Satya Dharma House of Masks and Puppets. So in here you will watch Topeng dance and also have dinner here. You can enjoy your time until 7 p.m. And then after that we will go back to our hotel. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, you may look around the place. Okay, let's have dinner. Alright, everyone. So, are you happy for today's tour? Oh, very good to know that you are enjoying our tour today. Okay, now we already finished all of our tour today. So, let's go back to the hotel. Okay, are you ready? Let's go back to the hotel and take a rest for another journey tomorrow. Okay, Mr. Junal, let's go. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we already arrived at the hotel. We would like to inform you that we will pick you at the same time at 8 a.m. at the same place with another journey. So please have a good ride. Please have a good rest. And see you tomorrow with another interesting journey. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Good night.